Hello, I'm Josh. In this video, I will show you how to install and use Ruiner Rust script. When you purchase the script, you will be given a register key. Copy and paste that key to here to get registered. Great, we successfully registered with our key. Now we can relaunch the script and start the setup process. Setup process is super easy. All you have to do is pressing that big install button and script will handle the rest of the process. Great. Now the setup process is done. We can relaunch the script and start using it. Menu of the script greets us here. Since this is our first launch, we must first input some settings into the script. Let's press space to start it. Now, input your in-game sensitivity into the script. You can check it from F1 Console of Rust. And now input your in-game ADS sensitivity. Again, you can check it from F1 Console of Rust. Now, your in-game field of view value. UI scale value. And finally, your in-game resolution. And here we go. This is the main screen of the script. Now I will explain all the main features and details of the script. The script works for every gun in the game except for snipers and shotguns. Luckily, you don't need recoil support for your shotguns. Script also works with every attachment that affects recoil in any way. Now, first feature I'll explain is recoil control. The script can control up to 99% of the recoil of your gun. Even with the new randomized patterns, you can easily kill people 200 meters away. Let's watch the clip. Second feature is Burst Fire. Burst Fire is my personal favorite feature of all time. Imagine you have spotted an enemy in the distance and you want to secure the kill. In this situation, Burst Fire feature is your best friend. Burst Fire feature fires 3 to 5 rounds back to back, and it fires these rounds with super accurately that they all go in the same hole. You can easily triple headshot enemies. Also, it works whether you have burst module attachment or not. Let's watch the clip.
Burst Fire feature. Fires 3 to 5 rounds with pinpoint accuracy. It helps you eliminate your enemies from long distances without any trouble.
Third feature is Silent Runner. Imagine you are trying to sneak on somebody, trying to close the distance. In this situation, Silent Runner feature is your best buddy. All you gotta do is hold X, and it will precisely time your crouches to make zero noise while running. Let's watch the clip.
Silent running feature makes you crouch at the perfect moment to make zero noise while running.
Fourth feature is Rapid Fire. It turns your semi-automatic weapons into fully automatic, and doesn't even lose any accuracy in doing so. SAR M39. Pistol shoot as fast as an automatic gun, thanks to the Rapid Fire feature. Let's watch the clip.
Automatic guns into full automatic. Rapidly and accurately shoots to eliminate your enemies in milliseconds. Regardless of their distance.
Fifth feature is Hip Fire. Sometimes when enemies are close, you use hip fire instead of aiming and firing. In such cases, the script's hip fire features come to your aid. Let's watch the clip. Sixth feature is anti-AFK. Most HiPop servers have hundreds of people queues on wipe days. That takes hours to join the server. These servers charge ridiculous prices like $20 per wipe for queue skips. And even if you wait in line to join, whenever you stay AFK for 15 minutes, they kick you due to being AFK. Anti-AFK feature comes in handy in this situation and prevents you from getting kicked. Let's watch the clip.
Anti-AFK feature jumps or crouches at random times to prevent you getting kicked from servers due to inactivity.
Neighbor. He said neighbor, right? Seventh feature is hide menu. This feature hides the script from internet broadcasts. By broadcasts, I mean Twitch, Kick streams, Discord screen shares, script checks, etc. The script continues to run in the background while it is hidden. Let's watch the clip.
Heavy and dark.
The last main feature, auto detection. Script uses artificial intelligence to detect what kind of gun and attachment you are using. It works super accurate and super fast. Thanks to this feature, you won't have to manually select your guns from script. Let's watch the clip.
AK, LR300.
As soon as you
SMG,
change your weapon, the
MP5,
AI detects which weapon you have
Thompson,
chosen.
AK, Holocite, LR300.
It also detects your attachments when you
16X,
zoom in with your gun.
SMG, Handmade, MP5, 8X, Thompson, Holocite.
These were all the main features of Ruiner Rust script. Now, I will show you other settings and key binding. Let's relaunch the script first. Firstly, I will show you the settings of the script. Let's press enter to go to settings. First setting is Voice Helper. When you auto-detect weapons, the Voice Helper reads the name of the weapon aloud and tells you which weapon is selected. I prefer it on. Recoil Control and Randomizer. You can use it if you want to play legit, but you'll be safe whether you use it or not. I prefer not to use them. Autogun and Mod Detection. Turn them on, they are great. Hip Fire. I prefer keeping it off. When I need to use it in game, I use the keybind to turn it on. Burst Fire rounds. I prefer 4 rounds back to back, but it's a personal preference. Rapid Fire and Silent Runner. Turn them both on. They are great features. And finally, VM_FOV scale. This is a setting in Rust that you need to check. Check it from F1 console. If it's true, set it to true in script. This is something essential for auto attachment detection feature. Let's go to the keybinding section. Press Shift here to enter keybinding. I don't think you need to keybind weapons and attachments. The autogun and attachment detection feature already takes care of this. The important point here is main key. Every other keybind works in combination with main key. For example, Burst Fire is currently assigned to the apostrophe key. We have to press both main key and apostrophe at the same time to activate Burst Fire. If you just press the apostrophe, Burst Fire will not be active. One last thing. Whatever your in-game crouch key is, assign that key to here. Default is Control key, but some people use C key. If you are one of those people, assign the C key here. And that was all. Before I finish the video, I'd like to share my general thoughts on Ruiner. As far as I know, Ruiner is the most advanced and secure script for Rust. It was first published in July of 2020, and no Ruiner users have been banned since then. I can happily recommend you to buy and use it. Also, its developers are very helpful and caring towards their customers. If you have any problems, you can easily ask questions and consult them. That's all. Thanks for watching and stay safe.